Well, you are going to school in September, right? Then don't forget to do these things before you go there, or you will regret it. I'll keep it short. Most boys this age don't know a direction. And I am here to give it to you guys. Think, do you really want to come back without any changes and reactions of other people? Okay, then close this video and go get your dopamine by playing Minecraft. And I'm not going to tell you just to glow up or to take care about your skin. I'm here to help. So listen closely. The first thing you can do is to find your money stream, even if it gets you a few dollars per month. You can check this video to gain some inspiration. Well, not even it will get you a financial freedom, but it will incorporate you into the adult life and all this money game. You will want to increase your income and explore more ways, how to make money. That will help you with your future. You see these TikTok videos where people are traveling around the world and collaborate with brands? You need money for this, and earlier you start, easier it will be. Next thing is important too. Work on your speaking skills. Usually people have problem with this because they don't usually open to the world and don't speak a lot. Working on your speaking skills can boost your confidence. When you practice speaking clearly and confidently, you're less likely to feel anxious. Plus, you'll be more comfortable sharing your thoughts and ideas. The best way how you can practice it to read out loud for a really long time, or to speak about some topic in front of the mirror. All right? Now the third thing you should work out on is your body. Join a local gym or make some trainings at home. Or if you want to become taller, you can hand on a trapeze for a long time every day. And of course, eat healthily, and you will be a Greek god then. I recommend splitting up your training into 4 days. Push when you train chest and triceps, pull when you train back and biceps, legs, and for the 4th day, you can do cardio, or train all those little parts of your body like neck, forearms, shoulders, and so on. The thing that will definitely change your life is mastering a new language. You will dive deeper into the culture of this nationality and also going to become much smarter. It is really useful too. Also imagine the reaction of people when you'll say that you can speak Japanese or Hindi. And actually you can find friends all over the world, and that is one of the many steps for becoming a successful person. And the last thing is to buy clothes that will suit you. The only things you have to know is what is your skin tone, how to combine the outfits, and what is trending. If you want more information, I've made full video describing how you should style your outfits and even how to invent your own style. So feel free watching it. But there is a thing. If you want to get some trendy clothes for free, you can find a free voucher in a description with a cost of $120 on TEMU. So buy some things you like within $120 and you don't need to pay any cent. Delivery is for free. Hope I helped. See you.